and we can see the Gorakhgad fort. Just be careful while coming here.
शिवाजी महाराज की जय.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are at Dehri village, which is the base village of Gorakhgad Fort. That's Gorakhgad Fort and this is Machindragarh Fort. And to reach here you have to come to Kalyan Station, and from there you will get ST bus to Murbad. From Murbad you will get local vehicles, which is like 8 or 10 seater, which is called a tum-tum, or you can hire a rickshaw. So behind me you can see the entrance of Gorakhgad Fort. We are starting to trek and the trail begins. So after climbing few steps you will get to see this Gorakshanath Mandir, and I will take you in. Beside this mandir you will find this entrance on your right, and this is the way you have to go for Gorakhgad. So I'm all sweaty again, and as expected there's no rain today as well. And we can see the Gorakhgad fort. It's here. It would take at most 2 hours to reach at the fort, and sitting arrangements have been made at regular intervals. So I just came out of the jungle and this is the view. And this is the peak. So the trail is short, but the elevation is too much, so you get tired very easily. We have reached a plain plateau. Here you can see the waterfall. I don't know if it is clearly visible or not. This is Bhima Shankar mountain range, and we have to go from here. So today I'm again here with Ashwamet trekkers, and as usual me and Mayank are together.
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय. हर हर महादेव. हर हर महादेव. जय जिजाऊ. जय शिवराम.
I met this guy. His name is Sonu, and he is from Bhiwandi. So we are trekking together. So from here you can go to Dehri Mata Mandir, and here I guess this is Shivling. And these are the footsteps. This is Shani Dev. Shivling. So from this mandir We are now heading towards the Gorakhgad fort. Bolted my GoPro to the edge strap because here's the rocky patch. So behind me is the water reservoir, or you can call it water cisterns. It is damn clean and it's drinkable. To reach this water reservoir, the path is not good, and during monsoon it's too slippery. So just be careful while coming here. This is Machindragarh. This is not trackable, but I guess some of the hardcore trekkers have like planted ropes and everything, and they have trekked this peak. After the main door, you will get to see this small plateau, and from here the main rock patch starts, which is a bit of difficult one. Is Siddhagad. This whole thing is Bhimashankar mountain range. This is Machindragarh, and this is Gorakhgad. It's a pleasant weather. This path takes you to the caves, the Gorakhgad caves. This is what Gorakhgad is famous for. This fort doesn't have a particular history, but during the period of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, this fort was used as a watchtower and also as a stopover going from Junna to Naneghat. So this fort has been made in such a way so that everyone can stop here, take proper rest. So at least 50 to 60 members can easily stay and sleep here. Also, the trekkers use this particular cave as a shed to live here. So on Gorakhgad cave, as I said, this fort was made for stopover while going from Junnar to Nanegad. So there are too many water reservoirs, and this is like drinkable water. So after the caves, now we are heading towards the top of the fort. It's the most difficult part of this trek. So let's go and explore it. And the risky patch starts from here, above the stairs. So there's nothing to hold here. There are carvings. So there are some spaces. They are carved so that you can hold and climb. Similar like Harihar Fort. So you can see the carvings on my right. Just like in Harihar Fort. You can have a clear vision of Machindragarh. These are the beautiful things you can see while visiting Sahyadris. After 2 hours of trek, we are at the top of Gorakhgad Fort, and it's a beautiful view of mountain range, Bhimashankar mountain range. And here you will see this is Gorakshanath Mandir, and similar like Kalsubai. At the top of Kalsubai you will see a mandir, and here as well. I will take you in some time. And
गणपती बाप्पा मोरया! छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय! जिजाऊ जय शिवराय!
about this fort, Gorakhgad, there is also a twin fort which is called as Machindragarh. Both the forts were used as a watchtower. It is said that Gorakhgad was named after a teacher and a disciple. He was a guru, and his name was Gorakhnath. He used to meditate here in this temple, like in this particular place, and then a temple was formed. So we are like descending now, and it would easily take an hour to reach down. So let's go down.
मजा आ गया भारी ठंडा लग रहा है
The rock patch while descending, it's too difficult, especially in this monsoon period. It's too slippery, plus while the climb you don't feel anything, but while coming down it's scary. So I've reached the base village. Behind me is the temple which we visited at the start of the trek, and that's it. That was the whole Gorakhgad trek. It was an amazing experience, like descending that rock patch. So I will end my vlog here, and that's it. See you all soon on a new day. Till then, goodbye, take care.